Hi everyone. In this video, I'll tell you what is a keyword and how to use into the website. So the keywords on a website are specific words or phrases that are well chosen to represent the content and the purpose of the website. These are terms that people are likely to use when searching for the information related to the website's topic. When someone enters a search query in Google, it scans all the websites hosted on the server for these keywords to determine which pages are most relevant to the user's search. Now let's know how to use these keywords effectively on a website. So the first thing which comes in the picture is keyword research. Start by conducting keyword research to identify terms that your target audience is searching for. Keywords can consist of products or services names with some adjective, as well as locations if you want to target any specific city or country. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you discover popular and relevant keywords to put into the site. Let's know how to use into the website. Once you have the list of the keywords, place them in the key areas of your website, such as you can place them in page titles, meta descriptions, heading and subheadings. You can also place them while writing the contents in the website. The URLs also can be consist of the keywords. You can also place long tail keywords which have less competition. This activity comes under on-page optimization. By using keywords effectively on a website, you can improve its visibility in search engine results, attract more organic traffic and reach your target audience effectively. I know this is a tough task for you as a non-IT person. So we are here to optimize your website as per your business needs.